Hello guys, now I will answer you question number 6 from Mechanics 1 Pearson Edexcel A-level exam. Exam was taken in January 2024. A particle is projected vertically upwards from a point A with speed 24 meter per second. The point A is 2.5 meters vertically above the point B. The point B lies on horizontal ground. The particle moves freely under the gravity until it hits the ground at B with the speed v meter per second. After hitting the ground, the particle does not rebound. Find the value of v. Let me write this information here. First part, you should know the SWAT equations S, U, V, A, T. If three quantities are known, the fourth one you could find it easily. Before writing the values here, let me draw the diagram. It will help us a lot. So this is the ground level, and a point A is 2.5 meters above the ground. This A is 2.5 meter above the ground. The particle is thrown vertically upwards from point A, so it moves up, up, up. At the end, after reaching at maximum height where v is 0, final speed is 0, it turns back for sure. And point B is here at the ground. So it was thrown from here, it was going upwards, now it is moving downwards at this side. After reaching at the same position, okay, here, now it is covering downwards. Displacement is 2.5 meter from here to here. It will gain the same speed here. Got it? So displacement before it is 2.5 meter. Let me take the direction as positive. I am considering upward direction as positive. So every upward quantity initial speed will be positive. I will take that is 24, and v we need to find, and acceleration, gravitational acceleration will be negative in this case, 9.8 meter per second square. So time no need to find. Here the displacement is negative 2.5. Why it is negative? Before it is going upwards, I am considering upward direction as positive, so here it is moving downwards, it is covering this way displacement, so displacement is negative 2.5. So this will be negative 2.5 for sure. Now three quantities we have here. Fourth one you could find it easily. By using the equation of motion, you have to memorize all the equation of motion. So here we can use this equation, v square equals to u square plus 2as. Now u is 24 square plus 2a is negative 9.8, and displacement rs is negative 2.5. You should know why I am taking it negative. Here it is positive, so from here to here it will be negative, so you have to consider this displacement. So this is negative 2.5. Solving by using calculator, we get the answer 625. Here is v square. To get rid of square, we take the square root. V equals to plus minus 25. We have to take negative here, negative 25. Why I'm taking it negative? Because I considered the upward direction as positive. Now velocity is downwards here, so final velocity will be negative 25, but speed is always positive. Speed is a scalar quantity. We need to find speed, that will be equals to v, and this will be equals to 25 meter per second. So this is the answer for the first part. Now for second part, find the time taken for the particle to reach B. Again, now we need to find time taken as well. We have the same equations, but fortunately we have V as well here. That is 25. We got it. For second part, S, U, V, A, T. Let me write the values here. Then later I will decide the direction. Which way you want to take it, positive or negative, that is your choice. Let me write the values here. First of all, this is 2.5 meters, u is 24, and v is 25. We just got it, and acceleration is 9.8 for sure. And now we have four values. We can use any one of the equations here. Now your choice, you want to take it upward positive or downward positive. I think if we take it as a downward positive, here let's go back. From here u will be negative for sure. Got it? Because you are taking downward direction positive, so this becomes positive as well, and acceleration becomes positive downwards, right? And here u will be negative only, and final speed is also positive in that case. So only one thing will be negative, that is initial speed, that will be negative 24. Hopefully you understand why I am taking this one as negative. This is positive, this is positive, this will be positive as well. Now you can use any one of the equation. So I'm using the first equation of motion. I think that is most easiest here. V equals to U plus AT. From here you can find out the time, total time taken from point A to point P. V is 25 and U will be negative 24 and acceleration will be positive 9.8 and time taken you need to find it. This 24 goes to the left side, so it becomes positive 24 equals 9.8 t. So 9.8 t is equals to 49. Therefore we can find out total time here. Time will be equals to 49 divided by 9.8. So answer will be 5 seconds for sure. So this is the final answer for second part. Hopefully you understand it as well. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment box. Now for third part, the point C is 10 meter vertically above A. Find the length of time for which the particle C is above A. So this point A is 10 meter above A. That's it. Let me redraw this diagram over here for the last C part. Let's say this is A and point C is 10 meter above A. This is point C. It is 10 meter above it from here to here. Now it goes upward and return back for sure like this. Going upwards and returning back like this. So this is the diagram we could use here. U we already know. Here let me write the SWOT equations here again. SU, V, A and T. Distance or displacement is 10 here. U is 24. Later we will decide the direction, upward or downwards. V is 25 and acceleration is 9.8 and you need to find time taken once it was above C here. This is the time taken only. Got it? Here in this case again I'm choosing upward direction as positive. So this will be positive for sure, 10 meter when it is going here to here. So it is 10 meter and 24 is positive. This is negative and this one is negative as well. Fortunately in this question we have 4 values, known values here, and fifth one you need to find out. Okay, as I explained to you earlier, if you have 3 quantities known, the 4th one you could find it easily. If we use this equation of motion here, in this case we can find out easily the total time when it was above C. S equals to ut plus half at square. So this equation involves t. So I can use this equation here. So distance is 10 meters and u is 24. Time taken we need to find it, and 1 over 2 acceleration will be negative 9.8 because gravitational acceleration always acts downwards. If the object is moving upwards, gravitational acceleration always acting downwards. So this is the direction of G, vertically downwards always. So because we are taking positive here above upward motion, so downward acceleration will be negative for sure. So t square. Now we can use this equation to find time because this equation is given in the quadratic. So we can apply the quadratic formula as well here. So this is negative 4.9 t square. Negative 4.9 t square you move on the left side, so it becomes positive 4.9 t square. And 24t, we will bring it on the left side, it will be negative 24t. And plus 10 is already there, so equals to 0. By quadratic formula we can use here to find the value of t. T equals minus b. B is negative already, so it becomes positive. It will be positive 24 plus minus b square, negative 24 square, minus 4. A is 4.9 and C is 10. 2 into 4.9. 24 plus minus the answer under the square root is square root 380 divided by 9.8. Answer of the square root 380 is 19.4. We can make it 19.5 after rounding. So it will be 24 plus minus 19.5 divided by 9.8. So we'll get two answers for time taken. One will be, let's say that is T1, that will be, let's consider that is negative 9.8, and the other time will be the positive value of the time taken, that will be plus 19.5 divided by 9.8. Answer of this one is 0.459, and the other time is, second time is 4.44. So we got two times. Actually, this time, the first time, the smaller time is this point, and the other time will be is the this point. Okay, we have two times. First it reaches here at the point C, but the other time is here once it reaches to the same point C here. Got it? Now if you take the difference of these two times, we will find the time above C, point C. Got it? That's why we are getting here two times. Smaller time will be this point, and the bigger time will be this one. And if we find the difference of these two times, we will find the time during once it was above point C. So that will be the time. Hopefully you understand this point as well. So we can find the required time once it was above point C, the required time. We will take the difference of these two times, 4.44 minus 0.459, and get your answer. The answer is 3.981. So we want the answer to three simple figures here, so it will be 3.98. So this is the time taken when it was above point C. Sketch the speed time graph for the motion of the particle from projection to the instant that it reaches to B. No further calculations are required. So this information is enough to draw a speed time graph. Last part of this question, first of all you need to draw the horizontal axis. Horizontally you need to take the time is always in seconds, and vertical line is speed. So this is speed, and it is always taken in meter per second. Initial speed was 24 once when it was at point A. So let's say that speed is 24 is here. Got it? When when particle is thrown upwards, speed is decreasing, and it reaches to point 0, like speed becomes 0 here. Got it? Then it is going downwards. If you remember this one, it was increasing, then returns back and it hits at point B. Here, this point was here. So at this point, speed is 0 for sure. Now at this point, speed is 25. So downward motion, speed is increasing always, and total time taken is that is 5 seconds, and we will take about this point. Let's say 25 is somewhere here. So no need for the further calculation. So this will be the speed time graph for this question, and question number 6 is done. Hopefully you understand it as well. If you have any question, any doubt, please let me know. Write in the comment box. Thank you.